AI marketing for home service businesses, the secret no one talks about. Introduction. If you're running a home service business, whether it's roofing, plumbing, HVAC, or painting, you already know that getting a steady flow of high quality leads is the key to growth. But most business owners are stuck using outdated marketing tactics that burn cash without delivering real results. AI marketing changes everything. With the right setup, AI can generate leads, book appointments, and follow up with customers automatically, turning your business into a profit machine on autopilot. Today, I'm breaking down 6 AI driven marketing strategies that can help scale your home service business faster than ever. Let's get into it. AI powered lead generation. The biggest struggle for home service businesses consistently getting high quality leads. AI solves this by running highly targeted Facebook and Google ads that predict which homeowners are actively searching for services, tracking user behavior to find potential customers before they even request a quote, optimizing landing pages automatically to maximize conversions and lower ad costs. Action step. If you are still running ads manually, start using AI driven ad platforms like AdZuma, Magix, or Google Performance Max to let AI handle audience targeting and budget allocation. AI chatbots for instant lead nurturing. Most businesses lose leads because they don't respond fast enough. AI fixes this instantly by replying immediately to website visitors and social media messages, answering FAQs and scheduling appointments, no human needed, following up automatically with undecided leads to convert them later. Action step. Install an AI chatbot like ManyChat, TDO, or ChatFuel on your website and social media to engage leads 24/7. AI cold outreach and automated follow ups. Stop wasting time manually following up with leads. AI automates everything, including cold email and SMS outreach to potential clients, AI voice agents that call leads and qualify them before a human steps in, automated follow up sequences to increase conversions without manual effort. Action step. Use tools like Go High Level, HubSpot, or Retail AI to automate outreach and only talk to serious leads. AI powered customer reviews and reputation management. More 5-star reviews, more booked jobs. AI makes review collection effortless by sending automated review requests right after a service, identifying and resolving negative feedback before it turns into a bad review, posting reviews on Google and social media to boost your credibility. Action step. Set up AI reputation management tools like Birdeye, Podium, or review trackers to automate reviews and dominate local search results. AI for content marketing and social media growth. Content is a goldmine for free traffic, but most business owners don't have time to create it. AI makes it effortless by generating blog posts, social media captions, and ad copy in minutes, analyzing top performing content and suggesting viral topics, editing and repurposing videos for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Action step. Use AI writing tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or ChatGPT, and AI video tools like Descript or Pictory to automate content creation. AI powered CRM and appointment booking. Keeping track of leads, scheduling jobs, and managing customer communication is time consuming. AI fixes this by auto scheduling appointments and sending reminders via text and email, predicting job cancellations and suggesting rebooking slots to prevent lost revenue, analyzing customer data to recommend upsells and repeat business opportunities. Action step. Implement an AI powered CRM like Go High Level, Service Titan, or House Call Pro to streamline scheduling and client management. Final thoughts. AI is the future of home service marketing. AI isn't a gimmick, it's the most powerful tool home service businesses can use to get more leads, book more jobs, scale faster. If you're serious about using AI to grow your business, don't waste months trying to figure it out yourself. Book a free call with us and we'll walk you through how to set up AI driven marketing for your home service business. Click the link below to schedule your call. AI isn't replacing businesses, it's making the smart ones unstoppable. Don't get left behind. See you on the inside.